Hello. What is your name? Very glad to meet you, Min Hoi. So, let's have a look at our test for today. Oh, how are you today, by the way? How are you? Happy. Let's have a look at our test. Please tell me, what letter it is? Letter A for... Do you like the apple? I do. And what it is? That's correct. And what it is? X. And, yes. And next letter is? Correct. Letter B for? So, and letter B for? Yes, banana. Do you like banana? Yes, I do. And what it is? Good. Yes, good. Okay, so, and please tell me what letter it is? Yes, letter C for? Correct. And letter C for? Yes, cat. Do you like the cat? Yes, I do. And what it is? Correct. And what it is? What color is the car? Red. That's right. And please tell me what letter it is. And letter D for? Yes, letter D for? Yes, letter D for? Yeah, that's correct. Letter D for? Yes, and letter. Now, the next letter is? Letter E for? Yeah, that's right. And letter E for? Yes. Envelope. Yeah, this is an. What color is an envelope? What color is the envelope? What color? Red, blue. It's green. Elephant and what? Please tell me. What letter it is?